Yes, guys. Thank you. How are you doing? Good morning, good evening, depending on the time you will watch this video and the time this is my my tin, my lunch box. Thank you. Yeah, this is the way I'm from the duty. I'm from my work, and I'm just now walking back home. Being a weekend, I don't take a vehicle, nor my person is not coming for me, so I just walk. I use my legs nicely. I walk all the way up to the house, no, up to the CBD, and then from there I'll take a mat to the house. Thank you, my people. Thank you for walking with me today. Hey, no, let me show you this avocado here. Let me show you this avocado here. It does a lot of fruits. To an extent, it's almost falling down. Can you see it? The avocado tree. Yeah, this one here. It's almost falling down. You see? This there. With a lot of avocados. Very nice. The landscaping here is very nice. Have the view. This Chubiri headquarter upper here. Very nice place. You see how it is? Where the sun, it's like it's morning hours and it's past 17:00. It's very much hot. Thank you, my people, for walking with me. Let's all of us walk up to the CBD today. I normally say during the weekends I have to walk. Yeah, for the proper circulation of blood, you need to give yourself a break whereby you walk until you get to your destination. Thank you. Let's enjoy the nature walk where there's no disturbance today because everyone is at home. Being a weekend, you see only 2 vehicles, 1 person, 3. People are relaxing in churches, at homes, out. But for me, I work. Only tomorrow, that's the day I will be relaxing in the house, organizing my house, arranging everything in the house. Yeah, let's keep on walking. Let's keep on walking. It's the road there. I said you only see 2, 3 vehicles. Like for now, that's the second one that is passing. This place is very much calm. You can even see the wind. You see the wind or you just hear the wind blowing. It's very calm. It's not congested. Everything is visible. Yeah, let's chat, let's make stories as we continue walking. Let's make stories as we continue walking. Na hii katini kangu kanasumbua, kanachungulia tu. Akataki kukua left out. Anga nikageuke hivi ndio tutembee vizuri. Kasi nikule akili. I want to walk in a peaceful way. Walai. Yeah, like this. I think I need to buy how do you call ile kitu yenye unashikia kamera ndio nisiangaikange iko karibu sana, so siwezi chukua at least a half of me tukitembea, so I need to buy that camera something, sijui inaitwa aje. Ni stand or ni stick, something like that yenye naonanga YouTubers wanatembea nayo, wamefanya tu hivi. So let's on. I wish ningekuwa naenda hivi ni face nini the sun. Let me show you the UAB towers. That tall building there, UAB towers. Actually, upper hill we have only the Rahim Tula, UAB towers, Brizim, What's the other one? Yeah, those are the only tallest. No, Britam Towers. Like 5 of them. 5. Yes, 5 buildings. The tallest building. We only have 5 of them. I've worked this area for so long, to an extent I know every corner. I know every corner of the Upper Hill area. Let's continue walking. Whew. You see another vehicle. I told you, the moment I get to town, maybe 5 or 10 of them, 5 to 10 vehicles. It's not that busy. The reason I like doing walking on the weekends, you can even see a Nadia from very far, and then you can hide the phone or just take a different direction. But on the weekdays, watasherekea na simu yako tu vizuri. This is my usual route. Wallahi. Yeah, let's continue walking. It's if I walk very much quickly, it's a walking distance of about 35 minutes. But when I run, I only use 15 minutes and then I get to the CBD. But when walking, it's 35 minutes to 30. 35 minutes to 30. They don't want to give me peace. I do my filming here. Pew, pew, pew. The motorcycle. Thank you, my people. I normally like thanks, appreciating you guys for always supporting this channel. Like now today, thank you, my people, for the gifts. Hey, thank you for the gifts today during the live stream and the restream. I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone that came to rescue me. I almost gave up. I almost gave up. There is nothing very much discouraging when you do the live stream. You've bought the bundles or you've paid for the Wi-Fi, and then you do the live stream alone. 2 people, all 1 person, and then hey, it's hectic. I think it's because I'm used to doing the live stream with more people, so I feel like it's something funny. Yeah, our channel still goes on. Hii ni kale kamlima ka Upper Hill. Hii side nimepita si safe. Naogopa bana. Wanasaida na simu yangu, so naenda tu nikificha walai. Yeah, our channel is still going on. Woo. Yeah, we are almost the Greenback. See the Greenback stage, yes. See those ladies there, my colleagues, the one that we work together. Those 3 ladies there. Basi mukae kwa video yangu kama mnataka tuende hivi. Museme majina. See my colleagues. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
These are the staffs that we work together. Christine, Damaris, Kanini Kanene, Millicent. Yeah, we have 4. Yes, today I told them to join me where we walked the town. I told them to make use of their legs. Unaona hizo simama zinatembea tu na mimi pole pole. Yes guys, and now we are almost at CBD. I've said bye bye and let's meet next day as we walk. And for today, bye bye, stay tuned and enjoy the walk. Subscribe, like the video, share. Thank you and much blessings all the way from Kenya. Kanini Kanene.